So on the COM15 you can see that the data that should look like this is garbled. There are a lot of lost bytes in the UART communication, and this data comes from the GPS sample on nRF9160.
Okay.
And then the big chip which provides UART and JTAG connectivity makes it available to the computer.
Right.
And so this is original, no changes from my side, and this is broken. And this is the reason I believe that there is something wrong with this chip, because we know that this sample, when it is running on Thingy 91, delivers the data correctly, whereas on the 9160 development kit it drops data, and this chip is the only thing standing on the way of the data from the main CPU to the computer. And in the previous video which I recorded, you saw that this chip is also rebooting when we try to program the 9160 CPU. And then on COM16 there is only the GPS protocol data, the NMEA protocol, which is sent to UART 0 on nRF9160, and then it is forwarded to the second UART of the computer. And that's it. I will stop recording and upload this to YouTube.
Send it to Stefan also.
Oh yes, I will send it to Stefan, and I will provide links to you and to Nordic. And yeah, by the way, two boards, we experienced these issues on two boards, one on Michael's and the other, which Mr. Page was kind enough to send to me here in Bulgaria. And these dropped packets are experienced in both. And when we connect the board to the computer, in the first moment everything works correctly, and the data is delivered both here directly from the main CPU, and also the NMEA protocol, which is delivered only when the iPhone application is connected over Bluetooth. And eventually it starts dropping data on either one of the COM ports. In this occasion it stopped dropping data from the main CPU, and it started dropping data from the main CPU, and it also stopped reporting absolutely any data from the second CPU. Michael, can you confirm that the iPhone application is still running and connected to this development kit?
It is connected, yes it is.
Okay, so in this case we should receive data on COM16, only the NMEA protocol, but we are not. And well, very, very disappointing from Nordic. Okay, that's all. I will stop recording and upload it.